Hello, this is my review for GENIANI Cool Mist Humidifier. So this is the package and this is the actual humidifier. So all you have to do is, okay, first of all, let me start by saying that you can put 4 liters of water. Here are some friendly instructions. You fill it up. It's easy to clean, it's easy to use. So let me show you where do you put the water. You put the water here. I just put a little bit for the moment. There is a tray here that you can just pop it like that and put some drops of like essential oils, like for example eucalyptus or lavender, and then it clicks back in. You turn it on and then starts with it's on, then it starts with low humidity, medium, and high. And if I press this button one more time, it will turn it off. Also, it does have here in the manual the instructions, and something that I found very useful is when you start the mode, the tank will turn either, the light will turn either blue, purple, or orange. Orange is low humidity, purple is medium, and blue is high humidity. So at this moment is blue with high humidity. You can enjoy it with your essential oils. It's very easy to use, very easy to clean. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my